Do you feel bothered by bloating and trapped gas? Say hello to Ayurveda, which with its natural remedies, brings you drinks to help with gas and bloating, and enhance your overall digestion. No need to worry about side effects either, and the bonus is you can easily whip these up at home. 1. Cumin water. Cumin, aka Jeera water, is Ayurveda's answer to many digestive woes. This is one of the most common spices found in the kitchen, and it is not only good for cooking but also comes packed with several health benefits, including relieving gastric issues. All you need to do is to simmer cumin seeds in water till they get halved in quantity. Drink the strained water to bid farewell to gas and bloating woes. 2. Ginger tea. Are you a tea lover? Add a cup of freshly brewed adrak, aka ginger tea, to your morning routine. Known for its exclusive digestive benefits, ginger makes an excellent ingredient for tea, which can help you get rid of trapped gas inside the system. 3. Ayn water. Ayn, aka carom seeds, is another great Ayurvedic herb that can be used when trying to get rid of stomach gas and acidity. Ayn is an incredible solution to gas and indigestion. You can either have it as a morning detox drink or by adding it to your tea. 4. Fennel seed tea. Known for resolving digestive problems, fennel seed tea is a traditional favorite. Boil, strain, and drink this concoction to help reduce bloating and gas. 5. Coriander water. Celebrated for its carminative properties, coriander seeds also come to the rescue for trapped gas. Drinking the strained water of boiled coriander seeds can give much-needed relief. 6. Mint tea. A natural coolant and digestion aid, mint tea can be a refreshing way to ease bloating. Boil fresh mint leaves in water and strain to enjoy your minty gas relief. So, there you go, enjoy these Ayurvedic drinks daily and treat your body to natural gas relief. Additionally, they also contribute to your overall digestive wellness without leaning on medication or chemicals. However, make sure to consult a doctor when things get out of control. Frequent gas and stomach bloating is an indicator that your body is suffering from something serious, and that you need to take care of the things immediately.